Hello, welcome back. In the previous video, I had shown you how to sort your learners as per pathways and combinations. However, the method that I used was derived directly from the admissions list, which has since changed because now in the admissions list, you cannot access the pathway nor the combination, but you can do that in the learners tab. So if you wish to copy this data, what you just need to do is select all the data by clicking this checkbox. This checkbox will select all your learners, the learners that have been admitted to your school. And once you do that, you can go ahead and paste the same data. So here we are, we have your data of the learners who have been admitted to your school. So you can now go ahead and sort them as per the previous video. Thank you.